In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make essential changes on app na2.hubspot.com using their trial guide. If you're looking to confidently manage settings, content, and domains within HubSpot, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through it step by step. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot trial guide. All your management actions will start here. This trial guide is specifically crafted to introduce you to the HubSpot environment with ease. You may want to bookmark this page for quicker access in the future. Once you're on the page, look toward the top right corner for the Settings option. Clicking on it will take you to a menu that houses various customization tools for your account. Settings are an integral part of personalizing your HubSpot experience, offering you the capability to adjust and control your account intricately. Next, from the Settings menu, locate and click on Content. This section is central if you plan to manage your content strategies effectively. Within this area, you'll have the ability to set preferences, manage content performance, and control visibility. These are key for ensuring your content aligns with your business objectives. Following the content settings, navigate to Domains and URLs. This choice is instrumental when managing your online presence directly from HubSpot. Adjusting domains and URLs properly can directly influence your site's branding and SEO. By structuring your website's domain accurately, you stand to improve both user access and your site's search engine rankings. Once you've reached the domain section, you'll need to connect a domain. Look for the option that says Connect a Domain. Clicking on this will initiate a guided process to link your custom domain with HubSpot. This procedure is vital for ensuring your domain identity is seamlessly integrated into your HubSpot-hosted content. Make sure you have your domain registration information handy, as you'll need it during this process. Throughout this journey, you might encounter a few technical terms or processes you're unfamiliar with. Don't worry, each step is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Remember, the goal here is to meld your domain and content settings into a frictionless experience, supporting your marketing and management endeavors. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to revisit the trial guide or reach out to HubSpot support. They have an extensive library of resources and a team ready to assist. And feel free to rewatch this video as many times as needed to ensure all your settings are configured according to your unique needs. Thank you for joining the tutorial, and happy managing on HubSpot.